morning, boys and girls. How are you? This is Miss Blatt, and today's date is March 31st. It is Tuesday. I'm happy to be with you after pretty much a 30-hour flight. So let's talk about this morning. Basically, we are going to be going about the same schedule that we have been, starting out with our literacy in the morning, with a little bit of reading A to Z, which we love so much. Then 7-year-olds, you're going to move into some writing, and I know 6s have writing today as well. Then we're going to go into math. And today for my 7s, we're going to either review today or work on your test, Chapter 10 test, if you're ready to take it. And I hope that all of you have just a great day of study, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.